Wait, have you ever woken up and couldn't move at all? Your eyes are open, your mind is awake, but your body won't respond. Then you notice it, a shadow standing at the foot of your bed. Your heart is racing, but you can't scream, you can't move, you can't escape. This isn't a nightmare. You're fully awake. This is real. It's called sleep paralysis, and it happens to millions of people. But here's the strange part. Your brain isn't malfunctioning. It's doing exactly what it was designed to do. So, why does it feel like something is hunting you? To understand that, we have to go inside your sleeping brain. Now here's something strange. This exact experience happens all over the world. In Japan, they call it kanashibari, being bound by a spirit. In Newfoundland, people call it the old hag, sitting on your chest. In parts of Africa, it's described as a witch pressing you down. Different cultures, different names, but the same terrifying shadow. How can people who never met each other describe the exact same thing? For centuries, this was blamed on ghosts, demons, and evil spirits. The answer wasn't supernatural at all. But science eventually found something far more human hiding behind the myth. It was hiding inside something that happens every single night. Your dreams. Every night. Your brain goes through several stages of sleep. But one stage is different from all the rest: REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement, and it's when most dreaming happens. During REM, your brain becomes almost as active as when you're awake. Your eyes dart back and forth beneath closed eyelids. Your brain is running full, vivid, complex dream simulations. But there's one massive problem with being this active while dreaming. If your body could move freely, you'd act out every single dream. Punching, running, screaming, while still lying in bed. So your brain built a safety switch to stop that from happening. Scientists call this safety switch REM atonia. It temporarily shuts off movement in nearly every muscle in your body. Your arms, your legs, your torso. Completely paralyzed on purpose. Only your eyes and your breathing muscles are allowed to keep working. This is a brilliant survival mechanism most nights. It keeps you safe in bed while your mind runs wild in dreams. But sometimes the timing goes wrong. Your mind wakes up before your body's paralysis switch turns off. You open your eyes, fully conscious, but your body hasn't caught up yet. For a few terrifying seconds, your mind is trapped inside a frozen body. Now here's where it gets even stranger. Being frozen and awake triggers a massive alarm inside your brain. The amygdala, your brain's fear center, goes into overdrive. It senses danger, but you can't move, run, or fight back. Your brain desperately searches for a reason why you're paralyzed. And in that panic, it starts filling in the darkness with shapes. Shadows become figures. Silence becomes breathing. Nothing becomes something. This is why so many people report seeing the exact same shadow figure. It's not a ghost standing over you. It's your own brain, wide awake, terrified, and trying to make sense of the dark. So how common is this actually? Researchers estimate a huge number of people experience this at least once in their life. Stress, irregular sleep, and exhaustion all make it far more likely to happen. Sleeping on your back seems to trigger more often than any other position. Students during exam season report it more than almost any other group. New parents running on broken sleep are especially vulnerable too. Even people who've never heard of sleep paralysis describe the exact same shadow. That consistency is actually reassuring, not frightening. It means your brain isn't broken and you're not alone. It's simply your mind and body slightly out of sync for a few seconds. So what can you actually do about it? First, protect your sleep schedule. Consistency calms your nervous system down. Avoid sleeping on your back if you experience it often. Managing stress before bed reduces how often it happens. If it happens, remind yourself in the moment, this always passes. Try to stay calm and focus on moving one small muscle, like a finger. That tiny movement often breaks the cycle and wakes the rest of your body. Within seconds, it's over and you're back in control. Your brain isn't haunted. It's just remarkably, imperfectly human. And now, The next time it happens, you'll know exactly what's really there.